Everybody, so it's going to be a quick video. I'm just going to combine the videos. I went to Walmart and Target, got some, went to a couple different Walmarts, but we're just going to all bundle into one video. I got some items, automotive, oil stuff, and please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright, so I'm just going to start the video off with, a couple quick things I got from Walmart. So, I picked up 4 cases, 12-pack cases of this Dr. Pepper and cream soda. Amazing. I've gone through like, I don't know, 12 or 15 of these already in the last 2 or 3 months. Picked up an orange vanilla Coca-Cola. Picked up a variety of beer. This is the Sam Adams bottle variety, beers of summer. Boston Lager, Sam 76, Summer Ale, and Porsche Rocker. Picked up some Bud Light Orange. Love this stuff, just haven't had it in a while. Picked up some Michelob Ultra Pure Gold. I love this. It's pretty good beer. I never had the Ultra Amber, but I have had the Prickly Pear, or the Prickly Cactus, the Lime and Cactus one, which is the green Ultra. That one's pretty good too. They just didn't have any in a 12-pack. And picked up this Michelob Ultra Amber Superior Light Beer. Figure I'd give that one a try. Also went to Target. Picked up 2 more of these large equipment funnels, designed for large volume bottles, built-in hand hold for easy grip. This is will hold the 5-quart bottles. I picked up 2. I have one of these already, and I have one of these already. I also have the smaller style one. Picked up 2 more because the one that the 3 that I have are usually sitting out in my barn. Usually I grab that one when I grab oil. One of these is going to be going in the truck. Same with this one. This one holds 1-quart containers. Designed to hold a quart bottle while pouring. So one of these and one of these is going to go in my 4Runner. And then one of these and one of these is actually going to go into the grease closet where my grease and other stuff is for quick in a hurry, things that cannot be out in the heat. I picked up 3 cans of the Rust-Oleum Professional Primer. I need about 6 cans, but for whatever reason, out of all the spray paint and primers that Walmart carries, this specific primer, nobody seems to have very many of them. When I originally bought them, they had 6, 7, 8 cans at a time. Now most stores are only carrying 1 to 3, but I'll grab the other 2 cans later. And then at Target, I picked up, because Walmart didn't have this movie for whatever reason. They don't have any of the newer Star Wars movies. This is the new 4K Ultra High Def Blu-ray and digital code. 4 times sharper than HD. Experience the epic conclusion. If I remember correctly, this is the last movie they're going to make for the Star Wars, which is the Star Wars Rise of Skywalker. And this is the Ultimate Collector's Edition. I picked that up at Target. It was $29. They had one for $34. I think it was the Steelbook, but they didn't have any, so I had no idea if it was for the Steelbook. And these larger ones come with the mesh metal screen. These little ones used to come with the metal screen, but these don't have it for whatever reason. They used to tape them on the outside. Oh, excuse me. I still need to clean this up again, but it's not as bad as it was. All these bottles need to go back outside with all my chemicals. So I have paint thinner, I have mineral spirits, acetone. I got these 10 quarts plus 2 single quarts, 12 quarts of the GTX high mileage 10W40, which I have no idea, but if anybody knows, leave in the comments. If anybody knows why 10W40 motor oil is so hard to find now. I used to buy the Castrol
I think it was GTX Magnatech, and you can't find that, not even online in 10W40 anymore. You can't find the Castrol Edge or the Castrol Gold in 10W40 anymore either. And Valvoline used to be very easy to get 10W40. Now it's hard to find 10W40 in even Valvoline. And Mobile One has it, but Mobile One, most Walmarts don't carry the 10W40. It's like every single AutoZone, O'Reilly's, Walmart, and Napa I've gone to, nobody has 10W40. This is the only thing I found in 10W40 at any Walmart or any store around me, and these were at Walmart. So, you know, if you guys know why, let me know. You used to be able to find Royal Purple in 10W42, now you can't find it at all. Because I was going to switch my 4Runner over to Royal Purple, but, you know, if you can't find it, then there's no point. But it's just a quick little haul. It's a variety of things. The paint was on one receipt. The funnels were on a different receipt. The beer and the soda was on its own receipt. So the beer and soda was on one. These were on another. This one was on another. And then this one was at Target. So, you know, it just happened that I went back to the same Walmart and went across the street to a different store, then drove like 2 miles down the road, went to Harbor Freight. Didn't pick up anything at Harbor Freight, you know. And this stuff on the floor right here is stuff that I need to pick up from the horn install. And I already got a comment on that they wished they would have seen me install it, and I really wanted to record it, but I didn't have the time. Had to work, and it would have been too time consuming to have recorded the process, because it was a lot of me kind of hurry up and waiting, because I needed to get some extra wire. I had to go to Napa. You know, I had to wait for them to get what I needed, you know, and then I had to solder it, and then, you know, what I did solder and what I butt connected, you know, were different things. But, you know, I did show some of the stuff I used. These are all really large gauge, like 0 gauge, 2 or 4, 6, 8 gauge crimp connectors, butt connectors, which I had to use it on one of the wires. But, you know, it is what it is. You know, maybe I'm more than likely going to be installing another horn system on the Ford too. You know, I'll probably have time to record that one. You know, it is what it is. Sometimes you just don't have time, and giving a quick look or something, which it didn't end up being a quick look, it ended up being like a 30-minute video. But it was like 6 different videos spliced together. It was, most of the videos were only like 8-10 minutes. They weren't even that long. Actually, they were shorter than that. I think 3 of the videos were like 4 or 5 minutes, and one of them was like 15-something minutes. It came out to like 30-something minutes. But appreciate you guys watching. You know, really exhausted. Picked up some beer for me and my wife, some soda, some primer to finish a project. You know, a couple funnels. And these funnels aren't expensive. These 5-quart style ones are $5 a piece, and these are like $2.50 a piece. Yeah, and the smaller ones are like $1.10 or something, 80 cents, something like that. But appreciate you guys watching. Thank you so much for your time. Please like, comment, subscribe. Apologize for the shakiness on the camera. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.